The spotted turtles are a declining species. There's been a reduction in at least 50% of individuals over the past 50 years. So we want to make sure that we're, preserving the populations that are still left, figuring out what we can do to keep them around.
This summer, my student Aaliyah and I were working on tracking the turtles using radio telemetry to see if one sex has increased movements, maybe they're more vulnerable to predators because they're walking around on land more or they're more active. And so what we do is we trap turtles, we mark them. If they're large enough, we put radio transmitters on them, and then we try to track where they are from day to day or every couple of days to get an idea of how big an area they're in.
Most species thrive at a sex ratio of 1 to 1. So we found that at most of our sites, the sex ratios are male heavy, or it averages about 1.8 to 1 male to female for most of the sites. That can indicate that the populations are decreasing. It can cause decreases in the future as females contribute more to population growth. One male can mate with numerous females, but one female is only going to mate with one male, have that male's clutch of eggs. So it's important that there is a balance between males and females in the population.
So Aaliyah's project is a part of the larger project where we're looking at spotted turtle populations in general. And since 2016, we have actually marked 173 spotted turtles in this secret, undisclosed area. Because the turtles are vulnerable to people taking them as pets. And so we don't want that to happen. So we keep these locations a secret. But Aaliyah's project is kind of the next step. We've marked 173 turtles. We've got an idea of their population size. And now we want to know how far are individual turtles moving. And so the radio telemetry is the very new part of the project that we're just starting this summer to look at movements of turtles. And we now have radio transmitters on 3 turtles, and we're hoping to put a couple more on in the next few days. So there's many different aspects of projects that students get excited about, and one is obviously being out here and handling animals and trying to understand them from a conservation point of view, and to take that and actually have it turn into something that's their own project where they're analyzing data and seeing a result or several results and understanding how that might help our understanding of a species is actually a pretty cool thing to watch. And then to be able to see them turn that into a project where they're presenting data and presenting the results to someone else is actually a great thing to see.